plaza, el calor que sentí al salir de casa, gotas calan el interior. El frío me atrapa, congela toda. Hi, so before this video gets started, I just want to say this was filmed in August, pretty sure in August or June, one of those 2 months. And it's October and I'm now editing it. I realized I don't have that much clips and I don't really speak that much, so I'm gonna try doing voiceovers. I'm so sorry. I always say I'm gonna do better at filming, but I never am. I just want to get these summer videos out before I could start filming October, because October is such a vibe and I'll be doing a couple of things and I want to bring you guys along. But first, these summer videos need to be pushed out. I'm pretty sure this is the last one before October starts. And yeah. Okay, so here we're just on our way to Ocean City and I'm with my boyfriend. We're just playing games. For fun.
Let's go. I just helped. Oh, there we go. Look at this one. I want to be with you forever. This restaurant called Pickle Pub and we ordered food. I ordered jalapeno poppers because I want to try them, and I'm trying to show you the ASMR.
So these jalapeno poppers were so good. I love them so much. The only thing is that they were spicy and sometimes I cannot handle my heat, but 10 out of 10. So after we finish eating, we're just heading home now. Hi, I'm back. So thank you so much for watching the video, even though it was kind of short, but towards the end of the video, I'm just gonna add a couple of clips of me at the beach with my sister when I went to Atlantic City. So I went to Atlantic City twice, one for my birthday and one for my sister's birthday. And those are just gonna be a little exciting clips, and I hope you guys enjoy those too. Bye.
Tell me when you're ready. Video.
We dance in the moonlight, hold hands if the mood's right.